So Apple had their October 13th event and they introduced a whole host of new iPhones, including the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I cannot wait to get my hands on. It's got such better video capabilities. But is that a compelling enough reason to upgrade? What else can they do?
They shoot horses, don't they?
Oh, well, they do shoot horses and a whole host of other things.
Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to Vid Tech with Rick. Well, we have got new iPhones. And of course, everybody saw the October 11th event. If you didn't, you're living under a rock. But this year, I will definitely be getting the iPhone Pro Max because I like to do videos.
So the iPhone 12 Pro Max just looks so compelling with the LiDAR sensor and the Dolby Vision, HDR, 10-bit video, which I have a feeling might consume more space. So I'm going to be getting the 256 gigs of space and the 87% more low light capabilities of these cameras. I just think that it's definitely a compelling reason for me to upgrade. I'm in the Apple upgrade program, so I need to upgrade every year anyway. But I'm coming from an iPhone 11 with only 64 gigs of storage. That just wasn't enough. I can't wait for this new phone.
I mean, it just looks really great, but I mean, all of them look great. And I've been recording on my iPhone for a while now. I just love it. You know, I was a videographer for a long time. I had giant cameras. I had cameras that would run out of storage. I would have cameras that you'd have to mess with this or that and all this other stuff. So to have an iPhone, it's just so simple and easy. You don't have to worry about things. And it's autofocus, auto everything, and it's always in your pocket. So whenever I want to vlog, right here. So, I mean, I'm vlogging. I'm not like doing anything serious. I'm just vlogging myself and doing a couple of my shows. But the iPhone has really, they just keep getting better and better. So I don't know, I'm really kind of excited about this phone. Now, do you need to upgrade? No, I mean, the phone is good enough. It really depends on if you're doing something specific, but you really don't need to upgrade iPhones every year. I just like to. And some of these YouTubers I'm watching are like, you don't need to upgrade. No, nobody needs to upgrade. I want to upgrade. That's why I do the Apple upgrade program.
Why'd you do it, kid? Why'd you buy the 12 Pro Max? Tim Apple asked me to. Obliging fanboy. You know you don't have to upgrade to the 12 Pro Max just because it shoots 87% better in low light and shoots 10-bit HDR video in Dolby Vision. Is that the only reason you got kid to upgrade? They shoot horses, don't they?
You can shoot horses with this camera. Blow me away! So I'm gonna buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max in blue and probably get that clear case and then get a magnetic on the back. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification and you'll be updated when I do a new video. Thanks for watching.